Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to play the video in the React Native. So here you can see that I am playing the video. Okay, so how to play the videos in the React Native. So let's start the tutorial. So for the dummy videos, you will get the dummy videos. Dummy can you can search with the dummy online video URL. Okay. So you will get the public test guest gets video. So here you have the multiple video, so you can just copy this video and just add it in your app.js. So I'm going to open the project first. File, open folder. So we have HTML React Native projects. Project name is video. Where is video? React Native project voice video, this one. Okay, file, open folder. I will open the whole project. So where is video project? Is at the bottom. Here we have app.js. So you can add it over here. This is the video. So you can replace it with here, right? So whatever URI you want to add, you can add, and you can see that in the right now the video is different one, right? So you can do it like this. Okay, so let's check out the steps how to implement this. So this is the full-fledged code. So if you want it, so just let me know, I will share the code. Okay, so all this stuff will be getting on with the React Native npm React Native video npm. So all of things you are going to get it from here. So what are the modules that I have installed? So these are the modules. Okay, you can see that. First of all, init with the video, then save the React Native video, then media controls, then React Native slider. These three modules you need to install. Then after that, app.js, right? You will look out the app.js file part, so you can type it or you can check any issue. You just let me know. Okay, so this is the full-fledged code that I am showing you, and this is a React Native video. Okay, plugin that we have to use. So what are the features? That is the video, you need to pass the this dot player reference on buffer on this styles background video. And if you want the examples, you will directly go to you can see that they have the weekly downloads, most important downloads have, and you will go with the examples and you can check out with the embed full screen. So you can go and check this one. Not in the iOS, we will go with the Android. Or let's check what is they have written on load. They have mentioned, right, there is a view, mute, everything on, progress on, and everything it is there. So you can add this one by you doing this, and you can see that current design we have this one. Okay, so you can play the video, you can minify this player, or you can make this one, right? So this how you can add the video in the React Native. Any issue, any doubt? And one more thing, that is we are facing the issue in the for the Android there is an issue that is Android video not playable in the Android Studio. So for that you need to you need to check out my previous video, which we have explained the React Native video what the issue it is. So you need to put in the build.gradle this line mavel content center in the all repository section. That will solve this issue, Android scalable video preview, right? So hope you understand. Any issue, any doubt, just let me know in the comment box. I will share the code, or you have typed any code, just let me know if you're facing any issue. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.